Hey, welcome everybody. It's Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan. My master plan today is I'm going to help you get 100,000 views in 30 days. So I'm going to tell you about a little tool that helps you in every aspect of doing your YouTube video. From publishing the video to getting your keywords straight, to generating a script, to doing an outline, to doing AI generated thumbnails that you can actually input your whatever graphics into that thumbnail that you want. I'm going to go through all of these tools and absolutely show you how great this tool is that I wouldn't be without today. So, I definitely wouldn't have gotten 100,000 views on a video in 30 days without it. So the tool I'm going to go over today is called VidIq, and VidIq actually has a free and a paid version, and it actually, if you want to use the free version to take a look at all the free statistics and information it gives you about your videos, go right ahead. Don't have a problem with that. I strongly recommend the paid version, however. Now, a little bit about me. I've done YouTube videos for over 10 years, and I've actually done it on multiple channels to varying degrees of success. I'm going to tell you this particular tool that I started using several years ago absolutely changed the game for me when I started using it, and I hope it does the same thing for you as well. Start off with video ideas. First of all, you need a great video idea in order to do a great video. This particular tool will give you a whole list of video ideas every single day for you to look through to help you try to come up with that great video idea that will help you actually get a video that will perform well, that's actually going to be in your niche and in your genre. Next, you're going to be making that video idea. So you're going to take that video idea and pump it into the video idea section of VidIq in order to actually have it come up with an entire video idea for you, including you can have it make a script and have it do an AI voice generation if you're not happy with your voice and happy with your ability to actually speak on that particular idea that you're going ahead and doing a video on. You can go through also generating the title, outline, and description completely in this software, and it will go ahead and give you all of that information as well. A terrific ability and a great way to start working on your video as well. You can experiment with all of these features and see what kind of way ends up working best for you to try to do your videos. At any rate, all these tools together or just a few of them will help your videos be tremendously better than they already are. So if you're wanting to make a complete script from scratch, you can do that as well in this video. You can tell it what kind of video you're wanting to make, the length of the video, whether it's a YouTube short or a long format video, and you can tell it to make you a script, and you can go through that script and modify it, and it does a lot of really great AI stuff to try to generate one of the best scripts possible for your video. So that is a really, really good, useful tool in helping you come up with making a great video. Because, I mean, let's face it, we don't have time to sit there and write a great script. We may have a great video idea. We may have a great idea about a product or about some kind of useful, helpful tool that we want to talk about or tell our viewers about. But we need to come up with the right way to convey that to the viewers. Having AI give you a good script that's actually professionally done really, really helps you come up with a professional feeling video at the end of the day. You can obviously edit this script and make it into whatever kind of script, however way you want to. You have the creative control at the end. You don't have to do exactly what the script says, but it's a good starting point. And it really cuts a lot of time out of you trying to actually create a video. Now, during the posting of the video, during that process, it gives you the ability to also help you get a title and description as well as keywords, as well as generating a AI generated thumbnail instantly right there for you. This also helps you get the video published very quickly instead of having to spend a bunch of time on a bunch of these particular items doing research that would take you quite a bit of time otherwise, or just posting the video without any of that, which won't really benefit you on getting any views in the long run. So whether we're talking about making a thumbnail, seeing the views per hour in real time, or getting a video idea to get you started on a video, this particular app, program, whatever you want to call it, tool, lets you actually have the ability to do so many things that it's something I wouldn't live without in doing my YouTube channel. And I hope that you feel the same way. So in closing, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this information helps you out greatly. I know VidIq helps me out greatly in my channel, and it can do the same for you. Go ahead and sign up for free, give it a try, see what you think. Leave me a comment down below if you use it, if you have used it, or if you plan to use it in the future. There will be a link to subscribe to VidIq in the description of this video as well. So you guys all have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later.